Non-clause, a PowerPoint that discusses non-clause. Table of content. 1. What is a non-clause? The meaning of the non-clause. 2. How non-clauses work. It includes a subject and a verb but function as a noun. 3. Two kinds of clause. There are independent clauses and dependent clauses. 4. Four types of non-clause. An explanation of 5 types of non-clause. 5. Non-clause formula. An explanation of the formula for using non-clause. 6. Tense in non-clause. An explanation of the tense in non-clause. 1. What is a non-clause? The meaning of the non-clause. A non-clause is a clause or a group of words with a subject and a verb that serves as a noun in a sentence. In the English language, nouns are the words used to refer to people, place, or things. How non-clause work? It includes a subject and a verb but function as a noun. How non-clause work? Non-clause are dependent clauses and cannot function alone as a complete sentence. To work properly in English grammar, non-clause must be part of a large sentence to form a complete thought. For example, in the sentence she liked that he was always on time, the non-clause that he was always on time cannot stand alone. A great way to check whether a phrase or clause is functioning as a noun is to have a go at replacing it with a pronoun. If that can, your phrase or clause is functioning as a noun. Number 3. Two kinds of clauses. There are independent clauses and independent clauses. 1. Independent clause. An independent clause is a group of words that contains a subject and verb and expresses a complete thought. An independent clause is a sentence. Example: Jim studied in the sweet shop for his chemistry quiz. 2. Dependent clause. A dependent clause is a group of words that contains a subject and verb but does not express a complete thought. A dependent clause cannot be a sentence. Often a dependent clause is marked by a dependent marked verb. Some common dependent marks: after, although, as if, because, before, even if, even though, if, in order to, since, though, unless, until, whatever, when, whenever, whether, while. Example: when Jim studied in the sweet shop for his chemistry quiz. What happened when he studied? The thought is incomplete. Number 4. 4 types of non-clause. An explanation of 4 types of non-clauses. 4 types of non-clauses. They can function as subject or object of preposition, direct object, indirect object, and predicate noun. Example: 1. I hope we are going to wherever the end of the lake is. A non-clause that function as the object of the preposition is 2. Number 2. I want to know what the rumor is about. The non-clause and function in the sentence as the direct object of the verb noun. The subject is the pronoun is I. Number 3. The teacher gave all his students failing the test some serious reflection. The non-clause and function as a indirect object. Number 5. My least favorite TV show remains whatever you were watching last night. The non-clause and function as a predicate nominative.
5. Non-clause formula and explanation of the formula for using non-clause. Non-clause formula, non-clause maker, question word, explanation: what, ever, what time, kind, day, who, ever, whose, whom, which, where, when, how. If or whether, usually if or whether is used for the answer to the yes/no question or the report speech form of the question. That, usually that clause for mental activity. The following is a list of verbs in the main clause that are usually followed by that clause. Assume, believe, discover, dream, quest, hear, hope, know, learn, notice, predict, prove, realize, suppose, suspecting. 6. Tense in non-clause. An explanation of the tense in non-clause. 1. Present tense plus future tense. Example, I hope that the trip will be fun and unforgettable. 2. Present tense plus present tense. Example, guess that she is reading in the library now. 3. Present tense plus past tense. Example, I think that the food was made 2 days ago. 4. Past tense plus future tense. Example, the scientists believe that there will be a cure for HIV. 5. Past tense plus present tense. Example, I discovered that making craft is not easy. 6. Past tense plus future past future. Example, the class assumed that the teacher would be late. 7. Past tense plus past tense. Example, she supposed that her friend was walking to the library. 8. Past tense plus past perfect. Example, he heard that you had written a book. Thank you.